This is a Brabus G900. The 900 stands for the horsepower. It comes from the Mercedes G65 AMG. It's a V12 twin turbocharged V12 6.3 liter displacement with a power output of 900 horsepower and 1500 Newton meters of electronically limited torque, which makes this car absolutely bonkers. I really love the carbon fiber front here. As you can see, compared to the normal G65, the hood is absolutely freaking high to have better airflow to actually feed the engine with the air it needs. The wall front is carbon fiber. There's the Brabus logo right here, another Brabus logo right here, Brabus with written right here. Signature LED bumper DLRs by Brabus, another LED light bars right on the top of the car. On this side you can see the gloss black wheels option. I think that it actually looks way better with the gloss black wheels. It just gives the car an ultimate blacked out mean look, which I really like. So this amazing Brabus G-Wagon actually costs 567,000 euros. Talk about expensive. Alright, so you can see that this side is has the silver wheels, and the other side has the black wheels. So let's look at these beautiful carbon fiber vents. Brabus all blacked out. Actually, there is another carbon fiber bit like this, the wing, and if you can see, there is another layer of muscle right here in the middle of the door. It actually widens the car by significant amount. Carbon fiber mirrors, beautiful interior. V12 900 horsepower. It's huge hood for this intake right here, and also the intakes from the sides. Light bar and the Brabus logo right here. The Brabus DLRs, carbon fiber bits. Again, all carbon fiber, and carbon fiber here as well. Huge exhaust tips and silver Brembo Brabus brakes with silver calipers. Okay, so nothing special from the back of the car except from the Brabus, for the Brabus bumper with the lights, with the fog lights and reverse lights, and also the F1 style reflector right here, and the Brabus cover for the spare